Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan's Art. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me. I am working on a 30 by 50 centimeter canvas. I will be doing a swipe. Right now I'm running through the colors. The colors will be on the screen and they will also be mentioned in the description below. I'm doing a swipe. This is part of a challenge in Kathleen Osmore's Patron group. You may either see this one or you may see another one that I did. I haven't yet decided which one I will use as my entry, but you will be seeing that when you see the video, of course. I'll be doing a swipe with wet paper towels, and I really love the outcome. It is there's some really awesome details in this one. Love the Quinacridone nickel laser gold in there, and the yellowish green that I just showed is really adds an interesting pop of color in the outcome. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I'll just be playing some music, and in the end there will be a close-up of the dried result. And again, the details in this are really amazing. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy and enjoy the music as well, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Please don't be afraid to ask, and yeah, you all have a great day. Bye.
Let your body take control.